Sod wall shanty, chaff sack for a door, fern stalk mattress, packed earth floor, white clay country, white clay and scrub, 17 miles to the nearest pub. Gum, spear and peacock, slash, hook and spade, sweat in the sun, mate, you can't rest in the shade. They say that the Cowrie grew here long ago. Maybe they're right, but a joker wouldn't know. Only know the feel of gum on the spear. Gum from me flour sack, gum from me beer. Gum, spear and peacock, slash, hook and spade, sweat in the sun, mate, you can't rest in the shade. Mend me own moleskins, get me tucker too, black tea and damper, eel meat stew, fine fat tuna swimming in the creek. Sometimes it's so quiet here you can hear the beggar speak. They're saying gum, spear and peacock, slash, hook and spade, sweat in the sun, mate, you can't rest in the shade. Sit of an evening cleaning up me gum, maybe in a year or two a better price will come. Gum for your varnish, varnish for your door, sweat from the brow of the gum digging poor. Gum, spear and peacock, slash, hook and spade, sweat in the sun, mate, you can't rest in the shade. Gum, spear and peacock, slash, hook and spade, sweat in the sun, mate, you can't rest in the shade.